Hi, in previous videos we built a device that predicts a fruits class based on its color and length, as well as a device that predicts motor speed based on the distance to the target, in order to hit it with a ball. These examples demonstrate supervised learning, where the model learns from labeled data. Each input, like color and length, is paired with a known output, like fruit type. The algorithm then learns how to map these inputs to their correct corresponding outputs. However, there is another approach called unsupervised learning, which works with unlabeled data. Unsupervised learning doesn't try to predict specific outcomes. Instead, it focuses on discovering hidden patterns or insights in the data. For instance, we could build a simple recommendation system using unsupervised learning. Imagine we have data on videos where we look at features like duration and how entertaining they are. We can then group the videos into different clusters that are clearly visible in this case. For example, we might find memes in the top left, blogs in the center, movies in the bottom right, and comedies in the top right. However, we don't really know if these classifications are correct, and it doesn't matter to us because we're not trying to predict them. Let's say we know a person likes a video from the top left group. It makes sense then to recommend also other videos from that same group. So if this group was memes, we would recommend more memes to this person, which completely makes sense. And we don't have labels for the data. We don't know exactly what type of video each one is, and we don't try to predict it. We only know the features, duration, and entertainment value. Just by grouping the videos meaningfully according to their features, we can already create a basic recommendation system. Another example is anomaly detection. Imagine we have a running track, and after the run, we collect data from participants' smartwatches. We compare the time it took to complete the track with the average heart rate. We notice that most of the data points form a cluster within an ellipse. Now, if a person runs through the forest, the data point would be approximately there. The time to complete the track would be low, and the average heart rate is also low. And with unsupervised learning, the model could automatically detect this outlier by seeing that the point obviously deviates from all the others, without needing any labeled data, without needing collecting many examples of heart rate and completion times of cheaters and non-cheaters from previous races. Also, returning to the fruit predictor, with unsupervised learning, it could recognize that an orange is an anomaly and classify it as something different from an apple or a banana, without knowing exactly what it is, or having seen any oranges in the training data before. In the next video, we will explore the third main type of machine learning, which is reinforcement learning. See you there!